WAT KITCHEN is our brand of ambient range of meals. We have noodles and protein bites. It's a great snack for ambient living, those living a fast lifestyle, and we're looking to bring some great flavours to people on the go without having to compromise. Thai sweet chili, and we have other flavours, but this of course will won the award. It's about 13 grams of protein per pack, and it's a great product, great flavours. Again, you can open the packet, eat straight from here, or decant it into a bowl, heat it in the microwave 30 seconds. It gives you again another great flavour, great meal addition as well. And the whole day has been really enjoyable. Lots of people engaging, and it's shown us that the changing footprint, what people are looking for in food. They're asking you questions rather than just trying the samples and walking off. They're asking you, about it and talking about dietary, about storage. And one of the great things we've found about this product is it's ideal for those not only looking to increase their protein intake, but for those following a GLP-1 lifestyle. This is ideal for that as well. So a really good product. Got some great reviews, great feedback, and they think it's really good here. And we know we've got something really good going here. So come to the WAT KITCHEN website and find us there. We're always willing to help.